Nature is full of terrifying destructive power. Floods sweep away entire cities, landslides swallow everything in their path, and volcanic eruptions burn everything. Get ready to witness the most frightening natural disasters.
Looking out his office window, he saw many small tornadoes gathering together to form a giant tornado. At first glance, it looked like a large cloud, but as it swirled violently, the scene became terrifying. Nature was majestic, but also dangerous. Fortunately, despite the tornado's enormous size, it only caused material damage and no injuries. Residents in the area were safe, but the disaster scene was still highly terrifying, reminding people of the power of nature. Your path is about to brighten, taking on a new look that is radiant and beautiful. Look at the San Francisco night sky, where a rare comet paints a magical light show, creating an unforgettable astronomical moment. Drivers must be careful to ensure safety on snowy and slippery roads. This dog is allowed to go for a walk with an umbrella. Oh my ghost! A passenger bus was pulled into the hole by the landslide. Luckily, no one was on the bus at the time. Look, the car was swept away by the flood water like a leaf. It's unbelievable. What an incredible sight.
Landslides are a terrifying phenomenon that can be hard to understand until you see it firsthand.
Oh my God!
If you have ever been near a landslide, you will have experienced the fearsome power of nature. In one Indian province, deforestation has increased the frequency of landslides, highlighting the consequences of environmental destruction. Nature sends a warning: save the earth before it is too late. Oh! It's like the climax of an action movie. The sky
Wow,
is
it's
clear,
like an action movie
and suddenly,
climax.
a big wind blows through, turning everything upside down. Everything is devastated. The wheels skidded on the quicksand, and the driver struggled to grip the steering wheel and regain control. The rescued chimpanzees were amazed when they saw their reflection in the mirror, curiously touching it with interest. Heavy snowfall and slippery roads are dangerous.
It's breathtaking.
Drivers need to be careful, move slowly, and always prioritize safety. Is the boat mounted on the roof of a truck a dangerous mistake or a bold and creative way to travel? In Henan province, a devastating landslide swept through a tea plantation, burying fertile fields, destroying crops, and causing severe economic losses. Rescuers face a daunting challenge, as unstable terrain and persistent rain make any rescue effort extremely dangerous and unpredictable. Having barely survived one devastating avalanche, the people of Dagestan are hit by another disaster. Snow continues to fall fiercely, submerging everything. Rescue efforts appear hopeless as wave after wave of avalanches sweeps the region. The highway was cleared, only to be buried under thick snow. Although no one was injured, many people were trapped in the village, helpless in the harsh environment. With food running out and the cold biting, they were forced to work together to find a way out, facing danger at every step. In Yang province, a rising river caused severe landslides, destroying several bridges, isolating two villages,
In Zhejiang
trapping
province,
people,
a
and
landslide
forcing
caused by
emergency rescue
swollen
teams to
rivers
respond.
destroyed several bridges, isolating two villages.
A raging torrent of water surged, sweeping away vehicles and roaring like a monster. The street disappeared. Only the raging flood remained. Oh my God, is this snow or is it an illusion? What a beautiful sight of nature. The snow clouds are crazy and cover the vision. The wheels are slipping, and every drive is a battle for winter survival. Helicopters roared in the sky, rushing to the rescue, dropping supplies to the stranded crowd, while engineers hurriedly built a temporary bridge. Oh my God! The wheels slid on the ice as if dancing madly. The 78-year-old driver gripped the steering wheel tightly, struggling desperately. Then the car backed up forever, as if it had its own will. Oh my God! The wheels spun on the ice like dancing a dangerous tango. The driver tightened his grip on the steering wheel, straining to regain control. But the car backed up again. It backed up as if it had a soul of its own.